I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, we're going to be installing this wig. It is from Nadula Hair Company. Playlist is going to be at the top, and details that I'm about to mention is going to be down in the description box. So this is the reddish brown. You know that's trending because you know we're going into the fall time. So this is the reddish brown 13x4 lace frontal wig, 24 inches, and I believe it's 180% density. The density is very big. It is getting a tad bit frizzy. I personally don't mind it being frizzy, but just keep a note that like if you are continuously putting your fingers through your hair, it is going to get bigger and get a little bit frizzy. So if you plan on doing that, you might want to use some type of smurl. You might want to use a smurl. I did it again. You might want to use a curl smoothie product so that you can define the curls. Okay, moving on. I did my normal prep with this wig. I plucked the hairline. You're gonna have to do that. I installed it with my, what is this, touch up lace bonding gel from Wig Dealer. I really love it. I'm going to leave the link where you guys can purchase that down in the description box. And I did end up using my True Match lace spray, and I did that because I finally found it, so I don't have to use my contour powder anymore. That's just another option for you guys to use. You can use foundation, contour powder. They have a whole bunch of lace tint conceal sprays. There's just you got options. The wig is very lightweight. It does not feel heavy. It is a lot. Like I mentioned, the density of it, it is very thick, and I will say because it's curly, it is going to be high maintenance, and then on top of that, it's pre-colored, high maintenance. Okay, so if you're getting this wig, just know that you're going to have to really give this wig some love and a lot of attention with co-washing, so just keep that in mind. That is all I have to say. Anything else that I remember after this will be down in the comment section, along with a little update for you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all out in the next one. Bye.
Do 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 dee do 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 do. Boy, I know this might seem strange, but let me know if I'm out of order for stepping to you this way. 'Cause I have to know your name, leave you with my number.